what are you doing? Are you stealing a kitten? You can't even take care of your own child, and yet you're still stealing other people's kitten, huh? Can you bring him over? And you, Mom, you're not even taking care of your own child. It's okay, though. If he doesn't take care of it, I will. Isn't that fine? Now lie down here and feed him. How can you be like this? Oh dear, even helping with urination. Being a mom like this. Mom, can you take care of this or not? Oh, the puppies and kittens are all crowded together nursing again. It's so lively!